Hello students, how are you? Hope every one of you is fit and fine at your homes. Students, I am your math teacher Mrs. Monica Sharma from California Public School, and today we will do the sums of exercise 10.5. Yes, and you can see here the sums of multiplication and division are there. These are so easy sums, but you have to take care while arranging the statement. Yes, the counting of the digits. Yes, so here we are going to start. The first sum is there. Multiply the following. Yes, A part is there. 2 kilometer 475 meter multiplied by 3. As I told you, kilometer and meters are when written together, so before meter there must be 3 digits. Firstly, we have to observe the statement carefully, that there must be 3 digits before meters. Yes, if these are there 3 digits, then no problem, directly you have to do the sum. If by chance the statement is there that there are not the 3 digits, then you have to complete 3 digits by putting one 0 before the number. Yes, so here you can see in this sum the 3 digits are complete, so directly we can do the calculation. Here we will write kilometer and here we will write meter. In kilometer we will write 2 and here we will write 475. Yes, and after that we will do the multiplication. Multiplication, that is multiply by 3. Yes, so here beta we will do multiplication. 3 5s are 15, 1 will be carried, 3 7s the 21 and 1 22, then 2 will be carried, 3 4s the 12 and 2 14, again 1 will be carried, 3 2s the 6 and 1 here will be 7. So here what we got? We got 7 kilometer and 425 meter as the product. Yes, now let's move to C part. B part you will do by yourself. C part, the statement of C part is 7 liter 902 milliliter multiplied by 4. Multiplied by 4. Here liter and milliliter are there. Yes, as we have done in kilometer and meter, that before meter there must be 3 digits. In the same way, before milliliter there must be the 3 digits. If these are given 3 digits in the sum, then it's okay, directly you will do the multiplication. Yes, but if you are not given the 3 digits here, then you can make these complete by putting the zeros. But here in this sum you can see already the 3 digits are given, so directly we will start our calculation. Here we will write liters and here we will write milliliters. Firstly we will arrange 7 liters 902 milliliters, then multiplied by 4. Now we will do the calculation. 4 2s the 8, 4 0s the 0, 4 9s the 36. Yes, 36. 3 will be carried. 4 7s the 28 and 3 it will be 31. So here we got 31 liter 608 milliliter as the product. Yes, now here in the same way you can do D part. Now I am going to tell you E part. In the E part, the statement is 70 meter 68 centimeter multiplied by 6. Yes, here meter and here centimeter. 70 meter 68 centimeter multiplied by 6. Now 6 8s the 48, 4 will be carried, 6 6 the 36 plus 4 40, again 4 will be carried, 6 zeros the 0, 0 and 4, 4, 6 sevens the 42. Yes, so here we got 424 meter and 08 centimeter as the answer. After that, F part you people will do by yourself, G part also you will do by yourself. Now see H part. There is one important thing in H part, listen it carefully. 11 kilogram 78 gram multiplied by 4. So here we will write kilogram and gram. Kilogram 11, gram 78. But here, as I told you, yes, before gram there must be the 3 digits. There must be the 3 digits. But here only 2 digits are given. So we will complete 3 digits by putting 1 0. This is very important to put 1 0 here. Otherwise your sum may be wrong. Now we will do the calculation. 4 8's the 32. 3 carried, 4 sevens the 28 plus 3 31, then 3 again carried, 4 zeros the 0 and 3 will be there, then 4 ones the 4 and 4 ones the 4. So here we got 44 kilogram and 312 gram. Yes. Now let's move to sum number 2. Here I part you people will do by yourself. Yes, and here sum number 2. Divide the following. A part is there 68 meter 46 centimeter divided by 2. Yes, firstly we will observe the statement carefully. Yes, before centimeter if there are the 2 digits then it's okay, directly we can do the calculation. So firstly we will write this statement without units. Without units it will be 6846 divided by 2. Firstly we will do the division. Yes, here we got 2 3 is the 6. Next digit 8. 2 4 is the 8. Then next is 4. 2 2 is the 4. And the next is 6. 2 3 is the 6. So here we got 3 4 2 3, but our sum was in meters and centimeters, so our answer will be also in meters and centimeter. So what we will write here answer, we will get last 2 digits, these will be centimeters, and the digits those left, these will be the meters. So here we will write 34 meter 23 centimeter as the answer. Yes, now let's move to B part. Here what to do in the B part. The statement is 7 kilometer 530 meter divided by 3. In meter we need 3 digits, already these are 3. So what we will do, we will write this unit without this statement without the units. 7530 divided by 3. Now we will do division. 3 2 is the 6. 3 5 is the 15. 3 1 is the 3. 3 0 is the 0. So here we got 2510, but our question was in kilometer and meter, so our answer must be in kilometer and meter. So in meter there must be 3 digits. This will be meters and this will be kilometer. So our answer will be 2 kilometer 510 meter. Yes. After that, all the other sums beta you have to do by yourself, because these are very easy sums. You people can do these sums very much carefully, and you can also do these sums easily. So thanks and have a beautiful day ahead.